If you understand what I'm trying to do now, this is a Grommet machine. It's also called a Rivet machine. This is the dies for the machine. You have different types of dies, but for the project we are going to do today, this is the dies you're going to be using. Then this is a shuka. You can use it to create a tiny hole. Then this is the project we'll be doing. This is what we're going to be fixing today, and these are the press buttons we'll be fixing. We'll be using this Grommet machine to fix this press button. So let's just go on and fix it. So for this one now, we'll be using 4 dies for this project. So these are the dies for the project. So let's fix the cover first. This is the cover. This is the cover for the press button, and this is the front part. So for this one, we'll be using this to cover it up. And you see this one, it has 2 sides, this side and this side. This side is very flat and it has space that can occupy this. This can enter this conveniently. So I'm going to just put it in here, just fix it here. Then the next one is this part. Can you see how it looks? This part, this is how it looks, and this is how it's going to be. So what you're going to do now is to just lift this up and screw it. There's a hole here, so you just screw this into the hole. So we have 2 sides now, this upper part and this lower part. So what I'm going to now show you is how we're going to use it. I'm going to be using this now to create a space. I want to be sure it's very equal. So once you know it's equal, just use your shuka to create. So you just use this to create hole. So the next thing you do is to fix this in. It seems like I'm going to go more. The next thing is I'll be using this to cover it up here. So what I'm going to do is I'll place this cover inside of these dies. So just see, can you see this one will go down while this one will go face up. So now hold your machine and press it. Just make sure it is inside the dies. Once it's sitting inside the dies, you just use your hand to press it. You don't have to apply much pressure. So remove it, and this is what we have here. This is what we have here. For the next one, I'm going to fix the next one, which is this. For this one, I'll be fixing it around here. So what I'm going to do is, this one will be facing up like this. This is how it's going to be. So I'm just going to create a hole inside here. I'm just going to create a hole inside of this. So then the next thing I'll be doing is I'll be picking this one. Okay, so I'll just insert it from the back. I think I will need to go more with this shuka. It needs a wider space. I'm just going to put this one in here. So this is the back. Now this front, this one will be facing up. Can you see this is the down part? So you just fix it on it like this. This is how it's going to do. Then the next thing I'm going to do is I'll remove the dies for the cover. So the dies I use for the cover, I'll remove it. Now for this one, this is the dies for the hook side. I'm going to put this one first. So then for this one, I'm going to, don't hold this, just make sure you're just holding this side. So you just put it here, just put it in and screw. So that's it. Now we'll fix this side already. This, so I'm going to put it in. This side will be facing up, while this flat side will be facing down. So You just put it inside the tiny space and do it. Yeah, just apply a little pressure, then remove it. So this is what you will have after doing it. This is what you're going to have. So just, this is how to, and that's it.
If you want more of this video, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also don't forget to like, comment and share. Love you all.